Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Science. So today we perform experiment regarding the homogeneous mixture. Firstly we take 2 glass, then we put some water in them. Then first I take 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of sugar. Add 1 spoon of sugar in glass. Then stir the mixture with the help of spoon. So now we observe that the sugar will dissolve in the water. So now we add some salt in the second glass. Now stir the mixture and we observe that the salt also dissolve in the water. So now we can see that this mixture is called homogeneous mixture. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel, Science.